Yo guys, my name is Legend and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a short little video about how I eventually mounted my GoPro to the chin of my motorcycle helmet. Now as you guys know, I was looking for a good solution to temporarily mount my GoPro, but I couldn't find one that I thought was good enough. So I went looking around to find a good solution to mount it on there permanently. Regular GoPro sticky pads didn't really work for my helmet, so I had to find something else. Then I came across the Chinmount by Motorrads. I decided to order it right before I went on my road trip, so I could use it while I was there and test it out. Putting it together was really easy. You just snap the little arms into the centerpiece like you see me doing right here. You peel off the plastic covering the adhesive and you just stick it on your helmet. It's that easy. On the road trip I did just under 1000 kilometers with the helmet on the chin mount and it didn't move. It worked perfectly and I'm really happy with the product. I will show you guys some footage in the background of me using it to give you an idea of how it looks. The one thing I did not like about this chin mount was the price. I had to pay 70 bucks to get it shipped to my house, which is a little bit too much for this product in my opinion, but nevertheless it's still a great product. Now this was everything for this week guys. I know it's a short video, but next week I will upload day 2 of the road trip. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.